What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Sunday, Gala Games. You know what's beautiful about doing price predictions is when the price does exactly as you predicted. Always nice. Doesn't always happen, but it just did for Gala Games, which is beautiful. So we're up 30% on the day. This is my one true love, Gala, as all my subscribers know. I've been covering it for a long time and think it will be an absolute juggernaut and one of the top metaverse projects in the future. And currently we're up 30% at 0.048. Incredible. Sitting a market cap of 322 million. 24-hour volume is all the way up. It was under 100 million. It's now at 521 million. This is how quickly things can turn around in the crypto market. I'm going to make my Discord free for the next 24 hours. Recently locked in gains on Solana, Ethereum. Currently in trades for Sand, Mana, Engine, all in profits. These trade signals in my analysis are coming in at $10 a month. However, you can have completely free access for the next 24 hours to all chat rooms. And we have over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. Sign up through the top link in the comments. It's only going to be open for the next 24 hours, so get in while you can. So let's hop into the charts of Gala Games. Look at that, guys. Absolutely exploded off our wave 2 pullback zone. So this is the way that I usually look to trade. I see the completion of the wave 1, and I'll have a couple entries in the wave 2, and then I'll ride it up for the wave 3. So you can see we absolutely exploded to our 1.618 target at 0.0447. And we actually pushed a little bit further here. Now, if we were to start to retrace, of course, a wave 3 can extend and push higher if we just continue to pump, but we are extremely overbought on the hourly. So definitely would be healthy to see some pullback here. And if we do pull back, what you do is you take your fib retracement from the bottom of your wave 2 all the way up to the top of the wave 3. If this is the top of wave 3, you'd like to see your wave 4 pullback in between the 0.5 and the 0.236. Usually it's going to bounce in between the 0.382 and the 0.236, which is currently coming in at 0.044 and 0.041. So we'll drop in some price targets here. So this is where we look for a wave 4 pullback and then see that final wave 5. I talked about this being a bear trap. I said, look, guys, I think there's a strong likelihood that this is a bear trap and we're going to see a push to the upside. And that's exactly what we've seen here, broken out of this falling wedge. So, of course, the technical target is all the way up at the top of the wedge. Will we make it up there? That would be nice. I would love that. But we were talking about coming up to the point of control, which is up here at about 0.052, which is a major level of resistance. As you can see, we do have quite a bit of resistance at this level. Support here, support here, support here, where this wick came down to. So definitely a good area for Gala to see some pullback here. But if we are able to hold the bullish cross on the daily, that's when you can see that big breakout. 55 comes underneath the 20 crosses on the daily. That's a strong sign of a pump to the upside. So everything's working out as we've been predicting here on the channel, which is awesome. Absolutely love to see it. So that next resistance to watch here is 0.053, and then up here at about 0.063 for our friend Gala Games. And for our current wave count here, we are quite overbought, so if we do pull back, look for a bounce in between 0.040 and 0.044. You could look to take a long off that level. Of course, it's better to always try to trade the wave 3 than to try to trade the wave 5. But of course, Gala can just continue to explode here. Personally, I wouldn't be buying in at these levels as we're quite overbought, even if we do pump. What does Coins Kids say? If you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. So just be cautious of that. Always better to buy down at support than try to FOMO in when it's absolutely pumping. But I'm not here to give you financial advice, just here to do my analysis, as I'm not your financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. So that's basically it. Beautiful to see it playing out. Is exactly as we've been calling it here for our friend Gala Games. And your next resistance to watch here, as I mentioned, 0.053 and then 0.064. but it would be healthy to see some pullback in the short term. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to BitGet. That's where I do all my trading. As you can see here with the gains that I locked in, let me quickly open this up. We're here on BitGet, 28% locked in on Sol, 17% gain locked in on Ethereum. Well, I only locked half of my Sol trade, and I'm currently in profits on Engine, Mana, and Sand. And I gave signals for all of those coins in the Discord. That's $10 a month, but you have absolutely free access for the next 24 hours to all chat rooms of over 2,000 members. And you can sign up through the links in the comments. All right, gang, I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.